What's going on, investors? For today's tutorial, we're going to be going over how to create an account with your broker and how to connect that account to MetaTrader 4, which is your trading platform. Now this is going to be done on Android, but the same things apply to the iPhone. All right. Now the first thing you want to do is log into your broker's account and go to My Accounts. Tap Create Account, and from here you want to select account type. We're going to choose Hugo MT4 ECN. For currency, we'll select USD. For leverage, we're going to select 1 to 200. Now just tap Create Account. Once your account is created, head over to My Accounts. From here, you're going to find your newly created account and scroll over to the right and click View. From here, you're going to click Action and scroll down to change password, but you're not going to change the password. What you want to do is select Copy to Clipboard. Once you copy your password, you're going to scroll down further and click Submit. And once you submit, you want to scroll back up to the top and copy your account number to your clipboard. Now you're ready to connect your brokerage account to your MetaTrader 4 trading platform. If you are using an iPhone, your screen will look something like this. What you want to do is click Settings. Once you click Settings, tap New Account. Once this screen appears, tap Log In to Existing Account. Now back to Droid. Open up your MetaTrader 4 app and tap the plus sign in the top right hand corner. Type Hugo's Way Real in the search bar, and from here you want to paste the account number you copied earlier from your Hugo's Way account. Next, you want to paste your password. Now just tap Sign In. And check to make sure you connected the right account. That's it. Your account is completely connected and you're ready to trade live money. For more tips and how-to videos, subscribe to our YouTube page and visit www.bpgrinc.com.